In this video, let's take a look at how to add coupons or promotions for your business. You need premium membership to add coupons or promotions to your business. Simply click on My Promotions from the dashboard and then Add Promotions. Simply click Add Promotions from here. Next, pick the business from the business drop-down that you want to add your promotion to. Next, give a headline that you want the promotion to be called. So I'm gonna call it Last Offers Promotion. Next, you can add a description for your promotion. So I'm gonna say 50% from our services. Once you're done adding a headline or promotion, you can select the start date that you want the promotion to start from and then the end date of the promotion. So I'm just going to simply click today's date and I'm going to set the end date to be 28. You can press the Add Promotion button. If you simply want to modify a promotion, you can simply click on My Promotions from the dashboard, and from the listings, you select your promotion to modify its details. Then you can change the headline, the description, the start date and end date, and then press Save. So I'm going to give a description here. Pick today's date and the promotion is 29th. Save.